Welcome all. So today's topic is black magic done to increase your weight. So this may sound very weird to most of you if you have not gone through this problem, but that's completely okay because there are a lot of things that you have not experienced, but that doesn't mean that those things do not exist in the universe. So but people who are aware of this, they are feeling this or they are facing this problem, they will connect with this video instantly. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so now as all of us know that in today's times, weight gain problem is one of the biggest problems around the world. Okay, and your fitness industry has become an industry of millions. Whether you talk about the gym, whether you talk about the diet, food section, the diet biscuits, the diet food items, milk, to everything, snacks, everything. It's become $1 million industry. People have started opening gyms. People have started doing this fitness business in a very high ratio, because everybody wants to be fit and everybody is getting this weight problem. So yes, people go to gyms. There are so many new styles of exercising, like Zumba and your aerobics to your Pilates and whatnot. Okay, and yes, once you work hard, you do get results as well. But now the question arises, what about a situation where you are going regularly to the gym? You are absolutely dedicated with your diet plan that your dietitian has given or your gym instructor has actually given to you, and still nothing is working for you. Your weight is not coming down. So then you speak to your instructor, you speak to your gym people, and they tell you that work more hard and it will happen. They try to motivate you, and still you've tried everything and it's been almost 1 or 2 years and nothing is happening. Then you go to an Ayurvedic center, the Panch Karma and other therapies to reduce your weight. Different kind of massages are available, to reduce your weight, and which of course I'm not saying they don't work. They work wonderfully on everybody. As per their body type, they suggest a massage or Ayurvedic therapy, but here we are talking about a situation where you've tried everything from Ayurveda to your chakra cleansing things, to your fitness of the gym and the aerobics and jogging, Zumba, dance classes, everything, and nothing is working. Swimming, nothing is working for you. So then you tend to just be curious and you tend to be frustrated, in fact, within you, and you say that there is something wrong, because if I was not disciplined, if I was not dedicated and going for my exercise on a regular basis, then of course I could have said that it's my fault. I'm cheating in between, I'm doing the cheat meals unnecessarily, so you could have blamed yourself. But if everything is being done and still it's not coming down, then yes, you tend to think there's something abnormal happening with you. So the answer for this is that, is it possible that black magic can be done to increase your weight? It's 100% yes, as an answer, that there are several forms of black magic through which your weight management can be disturbed. All of a sudden you can start gaining weight which will not come down, because there's a spell for it. There is a negative energy which is all around you, which is making sure that nothing works on you. No medicine works for you, no exercise works for you, no food change works for you. Okay, so be very clear on this. So if you're getting this kind of a symptom, that nothing is working for you and you are feeling there is some kind of a negativity that I feel, and in some cases, in fact, this I'm talking about people who go for the exercises. There's another case in which you don't feel like going to the gym. You are just eating all of a sudden junk food. A person who was the most healthy person, he or she starts eating the junk food. He or she just starts lying down on the bed and just doing nothing and feels lazy all the time, only for exercises. That person is excellent in his work or her work, they go on time, on the scheduled time, they reach their offices and for their meetings and everything. But when it comes to that part of your fitness, you become very lazy. You tend to just feel that okay, we'll go some other day and all that. So if this is happening on a continuous basis, this is also a form of black magic through which you feel demotivated to even step out for anything to do with fitness. A simple walk is something that will disinterest you. Okay, so I made some few points here. Now the reason is that why this sort of a black magic is chosen for you. See, the person who's doing the tantric, who's doing this because of money, understands very nicely that once you have a weight mismanagement, or suddenly your weight increases more than what your body is supposed to handle, you will have high blood pressure, you will have headaches, you will have heart attack, you can have a cholesterol all of a sudden going up, and all the diseases related to your pancreas, to your kidneys, to your liver, everything starts. The main root cause of this is your weight. Okay, so this is something that is an excellent way of very smartly designing someone's slow death process. If you actually make her or his weight stagnant, I mean that beyond the body that weight can be handled. Okay, so yes, there is a process in black magic, and what kind of a process is being used on you, and if you're facing this kind of a problem, get the diagnosis done, because only then you will be sure whether it is some sort of a black magic because of which your weight is not coming down, or is it something else. What is it? What is the reason? So get the root cause analysis done, the diagnosis. Only in that we will tell you that what process has been done on you and from how many years it's been done on you, and what is the remedy for it. Okay, so I think I've answered this question. I don't want to make this video very long. Next week another topic. Till then, goodbye.